guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have some great news in relation to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. A highly reliable leaker has exposed 5 brand new features for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that is going to make this phone much better in key areas like the camera and the screen and display quality. So let's dive in and get started right away and see exactly what is going on. Now, before we dive in, as you know, Samsung is running a $5,000 giveaway as part of their S25 launch. So make sure to click the link down below and you're going to be at this page and you can see chance to win $5,000, $50 in Samsung credit, and $1,250 in additional savings. Only a few days left to enter the giveaway and reserve the S25. Okay, so scroll down, put your first name, last name, email. By the way, all this is 100% free, no obligation to buy. And then check this box right here to confirm that you want to enter the giveaway for $5,000. Answer these 2 questions, which I just did. This button is going to go blue. Just tap on reserve now and you're good to go. That's it. Free and simple. Let's move on. So all this information comes from the leaker Ahmed on Twitter. So the first thing I want to talk about is the ultra wide camera. Now, as you know, the S25 Ultra is going to get an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide camera as opposed to 12 from last year's S24 Ultra. That itself is great, but according to Ahmed, you are going to be able to develop macro photos at 4 times the clarity. Now, taking macro photos, getting up close and personal is a lot of fun. It's a very fulfilling photographic experience. And the S24 Ultra is already doing a great job when it comes to macro photos, but now we're going to get 4 times the clarity, which is going to take macro photography to the next level. And that's number 1. Number 2, we are going to get an auto eraser feature. This feature is going to allow you to remove unwanted sounds from a video clip. Now, the Google Pixel phones already have this feature. It is known as the Audio Magic Eraser. So let's say you record a video and there's a lot of background noise and you're talking at the same time. Sometimes the background noise simply overrides your speech. So with the Pixel phones, you can select the audio waves, which is going to separate the background noise and your speech, and you can delete the background noise, leaving only your speech in the forefront. So this is going to be an incredible feature. Again, highly usable feature. So this will definitely come in handy. So that's number 2. Number 3, when you are shooting video, especially at nighttime, you are going to get better clarity. The worst thing that can happen with a nighttime video is to have noise in the video. That just degrades the quality of the nighttime videography. In fact, the iPhone 16 Pro Max does an amazing job reducing noise and giving you a nice, clear video, especially at nighttime. Looks like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its superior processing power with the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, is also going to be able to do the same. So reduced noise, better video quality. So that's number 3. Number 4, there is going to be a brand new AI option that is going to be able to adjust the screen color and the screen brightness to give you optimum screen quality. So the phone itself is going to have 2600 nits of brightness, just like the S24 Ultra. But with this AI feature, it is actually able to tweak the screen quality, the colors, and the brightness, and increase its quality by up to 43% compared to the S24 Ultra, according to this leak. So even though we have the same screen brightness, we are going to get better colors and superior brightness, which is a good thing. Not sure exactly how this is going to work, but I'm really looking forward to this. So that's number 4. Number 5, an amazing professional grade feature. The S25 Ultra is going to allow you to record in log video. That means you can record video in raw colors. And when you're editing the video, you can tweak it down to some incredible detail, making it perfect. This is going to be an incredible feature for people with creative tendencies. All right, so those are the 5 new features to expect on the S25 Ultra, among many other features, but these are really nice highlights. That's it, guys. Remember, you can reserve the S25 Ultra for free and enter for a chance to win $5,000 and also get $50 Samsung credit. All this for free. The links are below. Get it done. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.